I really believe once you get into the routine of eating like this, you kind of got the groceries here. You learn what you want for breakfast. You learn what meals to eat. Losing that 5 pounds you gained is really just as simple as getting back on your routine. For me, this is essentially a lifestyle. So yeah, there's times when I can mess up. Maybe a holiday, I eat too much, whatever. But I know exactly what I got to do. No fad diets, no skinny teas, no crazy pills or supplements. Simple lifestyle stuff. You follow the 2 rules of the anabolic diet, calorie deficit and eating enough protein, the rest falls into place. And I truly mean that. The results just start to happen. The entire 4 stack of waffles would end up being 431 calories with only 3 grams of fat, 53 grams of protein, 48 grams of carbs with 1 gram of fiber.